learners, welcome and namaskar. I hope that you all are fine and well. Today we are going to learn chapter number 15 is MR plus ing sound. What is MR plus ing form of verb? How to pronounce it? Ing. Okay? Like walk-ing, talk-ing, dancing. Likewise. And the learning objective of this lesson is, you can say the learning outcome as well. The learning outcome of this lesson is, by the end of this lesson, the students, you will be able to tell what be verbs are and in the base as well as ing form of the verb you will learn. You will also apply the learning while communicating. So let's begin. See, is. We use is with he, she and it. We use is with he, she and it. Whereas we use am with I. We use am with I. In our lower standard, we had already learned this things about be verbs. Here we are going to revise it and then I will tell you how to use ing form with the verbs. Okay. So look here. We use are with you, we and they. It means with singular we use is. And with plural we use are. And with I we use am. Now look at here. Singular. I, you, he, she, it. We use you are, I am, he is, she is, it is. Alright, and when the work is going on, means जो वर्क अभी चल रहा है उसके लिए हम ing फॉर्म का यूज करते हैं. जैसे I am reading, you are reading, he is reading, she is reading, it is reading. Likewise. Alright. Now come to plural. You, we, they. Plural you, we, they means they are plural forms. जिसके साथ हम are का यूज करते हैं. किसका? ARE, are का. Very good. जैसे you are reading, we are reading, they are reading. Likewise. Alright. Now open your textbook and let's see what textbook says to us. Dear kids, please open page number 59 and let us read chapter number 15. Is MR plus ing the sentences of this one. Read this sentences. I am working. हमने I के साथ क्या यूज किया है? Am. And with work we had put ing form. So it become working. I am working. He is working. She is working. It is working. We are working. You are working. You all are working. They are working. Some doing words tells us about the action that is taking place as we speak. जब हम बोलते हैं तब वो वर्क चल रहा होता है, इसलिए हम ing फॉर्म लगाते हैं. For such action we use is MR plus ing of the doing words. Understood, dear kids? Now let us do fill in the blanks with is MR plus the ing form of the doing words given in bracket, and one has been done for us. The baby is crying for milk. Baby देखो milk के लिए रो रहा है. The baby is crying for milk. तो हमने क्या लिखा? Baby singular है, उसके साथ क्या लिखा? is. Very good. और cry में हमने क्या लगाया? ing form. Come to B1. Fill in the blanks with is MR plus the ing form of the doing words. Come on, let us do it with the second one. I am writing a letter for my friend. Yes, I am doing that work right now. That's why I had written ing form with write. And it will become WRITING. We will omit E. Alright, and then we will write WRITING, writing. I am writing a letter to my friend. Come to the third one. I am reading a story book. We will add ing form with reading and it will become reading. I am reading a story book. Come to the next one. We are watching a circus show. We are watching a circus show. We are doing our homework. We are doing our homework. So, if you have noticed one thing, with singular, we had written is, with I, we had written am, and with more than one, it means with we had written are, and with all the verbs, we had added ing form. Now turn the page, come to page number 60. Now come to the next page, page number 60. The children are cleaning their classroom. Write it down. The children are cleaning their classroom. We are talking about more than one. So we will write ARER. And then cleaning. The children are cleaning their classroom. Then Reena is playing with her dog. Reena is playing with her dog. Come to the next one. The monkey is eating a banana. The monkey is eating a banana. We are talking about only one monkey here. That's why we had written is. This is me and my family. We are talking about our family. More than one. So we will write we are. Very good, dear kids. We are returning from a holiday. Come to the last one. The animals are drinking water from the pond. The animals are drinking water from the pond. Understood, dear kids? The concept of ism, are and doing words plus ing. Come on. Now look here. When we want to say that some action is not happening, जब हमें बताना होता है कि एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, we write not between is, am, are and the doing words. मतलब is, am, are के बाद और doing word के पहले हम क्या लगा देते हैं? not. क्या लगाते हैं? not. देख लीजिए एग्जाम्पल में. I am not watching the film. मैं फिल्म नहीं देख रही हूँ या नहीं देख रहा हूँ. वैसे ही he is not eating dinner. He is not eating dinner. We are not studying today. We are not studying today. You are not going to school. आपने देखा होगा कि जहाँ पे भी हमने क्या लगाया? not. वो कैसे लगाया? is, am, are के बाद और doing what के पहले. Very good. Now look at this table below to understand how we use is, am, are to make negative sentences. अब हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बनाने के वक्त कैसे is am are का यूज करते हैं? So look here. The first one, I am. We will write I am not. You are. We will write you are not. It is. We will write it is not. हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के लिए किसका किसका यूज करते हैं बच्चों? नो एंड नॉट का. वेरी गुड. दे आर, तो दे आर नॉट. दे आर नॉट गुड एट स्टडीज. दे आर नॉट गुड एट प्लेइंग. इट्स नॉट माई बर्थडे टूडे. यू आर नॉट happy today. I am not feeling sick. Likewise. Then he is not at home today. She is not at school right now. Then we are not going to market today. So this is how we use is am are plus not to make the sentence negative. Alright, now come to the page number 61 and let's try to solve question number 2. Come to page number 61. Question number 2. Look at the picture. Complete the first sentence using is, am or are. Complete the second sentence using is not, am not or are not. One has been done for us. See, पहले तो हमें is, am, are लगाना है, जैसे कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में लगाया है she is a singer. फिर हमें उसी सेंटेंस को या उस जो सेकेंड सेंटेंस है उस सेंटेंस को हमें नेगेटिव करना है. जैसे she is not a dancer, she is a singer, she is not a dancer. वैसे ही it is the sun, it is not the moon. Come on, write it down. It is the sun, it is not the moon. Then come to third one. I am a dancer. I am not a painter. I am a dancer. I am not a painter. लिख लिया बच्चों? Very good. Come to fourth one. They are friends. They are not brothers. So this is how we make the sentence with not as well. We write is, am, are, then we write not, and then we write the doing word with ing form of the verb. Now come to the next table of page number 61 and let's see what is given there. Read these sentences. Are you hungry? No, I am not. Yes, we are going to learn about interrogative sentences. Are you hungry? No, I am not. Is she your friend? Yes, she is. Am I a good singer? Yes, you are. Are they coming? No, they are not. So we use is, am, are to ask question as well. हम is, am, are का यूज क्वेश्चन पूछने में भी करते हैं. am I के साथ am लिखते थे ना, वैसे ही अब हम am को आगे लिखेंगे. am I, फिर is she, is he, is it, are you, are we, are they. Likewise, turn the page. Come to page number 62. So little learners, in page number 62, we have to do filling the blanks with is, am or are. How we will do? Look here. Am I invited? Write it down. Am I invited? The second one is here. Are they your parents? हम I के साथ क्या लगाते थे? Am. Very good. They के साथ क्या लगाते थे? Are. तो यहाँ पे भी हमने वही किया है, बस हम I के बाद am लगाते थे, यहाँ पे हम I के पहले am लगाएंगे. क्यों? To show that it is an interrogative, because we are asking question. Very good. So the C1 is, dash you the postman? Are you the postman? Is it a parrot? Is she a good cook? Are we winning? Complete it, dear kids. Then come to question number 4. In question number 4, they are asking us to do, see, complete these questions using is, am and are plus the ing form of the doing words given in brackets. Then write the number of the correct answer from the option given below. Here they has given a few options to us, answers, and here they had given us the questions. तो हमें क्या करना है? Dash for the history test. Is Tom studying for the history test? Second number, yes, he is. यानी यहाँ पे उसके आंसर्स दिए हैं. So we will write yes, he is. Then dash a letter. Are you writing a letter? Then yes, I am. So write it down, first number here, and write it down. Are you writing? ARERYOU WRITING, writing. Are you writing a letter? And in the front dash, right hand side, given to you, write it down, one number there. Come to next one. Are they laughing? And the answer is no, they are not. So write it down. Are they laughing? And then write it down. No, they are not. So write it down, 3 number here. Done, dear kids? The sky is grey. Is it raining? Yes, it is. So write it down, 5 number here. Now come to E. Dash is her room. Is she sitting in her room? No, she is not. 4 number. So the B1 is, are you writing? And here the answer is, yes, I am. Then are they laughing? No, they are not. See, यहाँ पे दे दिया ही होगा, यहाँ पे ही दिया है, यहाँ पे शी दिया है, यहाँ पे इट दिया है, यहाँ पे आई दिया है. इससे हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हमें नंबरिंग कैसे करनी है. They are grey. The sky is grey. Is it raining? Yes, it is. Dash in her room. Is she sitting in her room? No, she is not. So this is how we had completed our question number 4 as well. It's time to do question number 5. In question number 5, we have to read the sentences, answer them by looking at the picture. हमें आंसर देना है पिक्चर्स को देख के. एंड वन हैज बीन डन फॉर अस. आर दे क्रोज? सी हियर, आर दे क्रोज? पिक्चर में देखो तो क्या ये क्रोज है? नो नो, दे आर नॉट. दे आर डकलिंग्स. नाउ कम टू B1. Is he playing cricket? No, he is not. वो क्या खेल रहे हैं? क्या खेल रहा है? He is playing football. He is playing football. Come to the next one. 63, page number 63. Is it a tiger? क्या ये टाइगर है? No, it is not. It's a lion. It's a lion. Write it down. No, it is not. It is a lion. Now come to the next one. Are they flying balloons? No, they are not. What they are flying? See in the picture. They are flying kites. So write it down. They are flying kites. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. They are flying kites. Now is it visible to you properly? No, it is not. It is a lion. No, they are not. They are flying kites. Now come to question number 6. Complete the dialogues using is-am-are plus the ing form of the doing words given in the brackets, and one has been done for us. Peter. Hi Amit, it's Peter. It's a conversation between two boys, Peter and Amit. And we have to complete this dialogues by using is-am-are plus ing in form of the doing words given in the brackets. Come on, let's do it. Peter, what are you doing? Amit, I am watching television. Then Peter is saying, what is Tina doing? See, what is Tina doing? Amit, she is reading a book. She is reading a book. Then Peter, Aslam and I are playing cricket in the park. Peter is saying, Aslam and I are playing cricket in the park. Amit, great, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Let us read the dialogues one more time. Peter, hi Amit, it's Peter. Amit, hi Peter. Peter, what are you doing? Amit, I am watching television. Peter, what is Tina doing? Amit, she is reading a book. Peter, Aslam and I are playing cricket in the park. Amit, great, I'll be there in 5 minutes. So dear kids, this is how we had completed the textbook portion of chapter number 15. Give heading in your notebook. Take out your notebooks. It's time to do mind mapping. And give heading chapter number 15 is-am-are plus ing. And then write it down subject is-am-are, infinitive ing. Write it down. Subject, subject, subject plus is MR plus infinitive. If you don't need to write infinitive, you can simply write plus ing. Infinitive means verb plus verb ing. Then write it down singular like this in the left hand side. Write it down singular and then write it down I, you, he, she, it. And then write it down I am, you are, he, she, it. Is. Write it down I am playing, dancing, reading, writing, telling, going. You have to make it just the same. लिख लो I am going भी हो सकता है, I am playing भी हो सकता है, I am reading भी हो सकता है, I am writing भी हो सकता है, I am telling भी हो सकता है, I am telling a story, I am writing a letter, you are reading a book, he is playing basketball, she is playing badminton, it is going with her servant. Very good. Likewise, we had completed the singular form. Now, come to the plural form. Singular form done by everyone. It's time to do plural. Write it down plural, you, we, they. And then write it down are. With you we use are. With we use are. With they also we use are. You are fighting. We are reading. They are writing. We are watching a television. Likewise, you have to write it down. The mind mapping. Chapter number 15 is MR plus ing. Alright, dear kids. So, chapter number 15 is completed. Now, it's time to do chapter number 16. In my part 2 video of today, I'll be sending you chapter number 16. That's all for chapter number 15. Now open your textbook and let's start chapter number 16. Watch my part 2 video for chapter number 16.